So here we have a griddle. I'm gonna take it off the box really quick, and this is something I've been waiting for actually, because I'm a big fan of grilling, and this one is one of those griddles that goes over the grill, so you can fry, you can bake, you can do all that kind of stuff that goes on top, almost like what they have at the hibachi restaurants. Yeah, that kind of stuff. In this case, we're gonna put it over a charcoal or wood grill. I know some of you might be using them for gas grills, but I'm personally a big fan of charcoal and wood grills, so that's what we're gonna do with this one. But first, let me unpack it and see what we have in the package. That's a simple enough grill top, and oh yeah, that's some nice coating here. Let me take this plastic wrap really quick, and here it is. This actually looks really beautiful. That's where the oil will be collected, and we have a tap to actually collect the water. Let me pull these out of here. There's a handle as well. Okay, the handle will go there. And this is the tap or cap, whatever you want to call it, that goes in here on this hole to block the liquids from just, falling on the ground. You can attach actually something to catch them here if you want to. I've seen people do it. You can put a dish or a ball or something so you don't let them just drip on the ground. And well, the main bad point is that they'll start smelling bad and then you'll have wild animals coming around. So not sure if you want that. So let me spin it around me, but before I spin it, let me show you what's underneath. It actually has crossbars, and why they help is just truly amazing. This is the underside, and these are the crossbars. Why I like these crossbars is that the griddle that I have doesn't have these. And when the heat goes a little bit high, it starts bowing. It starts changing shape. Now, this one, they implemented the crossbars so it will not change shape under heat. Now, that is very smart. Really great job. Great job, Lotta, for doing this one. And let me real quick install the handle. This is actually really cool, I gotta say. You don't need to take them both, actually. You're supposed to take only one because they hold each other. That's the whole point. I like to install it with a handle down. You can do it however you want, but I like it with a handle down. Just put it here, bolt these in. And of course, they're size 10, which I always tend to lose my 10 millimeter. And if you lose your 10 millimeter like me, well, you know the pain. Boom. Perfect. Done. That's all. And now we are ready to go throw it on top of the grill and heat it a little bit and see how that goes. I really love this thing. This is really that cool stuff. And we'll cook something. I don't know. Might have pieces of meat, some potatoes, some onions. And yes, even though it's coated, I myself absolutely love to put some lard on the bottom. You can put whatever you want. I just like to put the healthy stuff on the bottom just to coat it with that lard. And then I put the rest of the stuff on top of it, even if I'm cooking bacon, which, has its own lard when you render it. But just I just like that. And yeah, this is quite thick, actually. This is, oh yeah, no, there's no flinch on it at all. So, well, let's go cook something, I guess. What else is left to talk about? A griddle that is absolutely a great quality and really heavy and nice. So, let's go do this. Okay, so I don't know if this is the perfect fire, but we're gonna work with it. Okay, so it's looking pretty hot, especially there, but there's fire underneath it too, so it's plenty hot, as you see here too. It's doing that initial burn-in, and I'm gonna add the lard, just a little bit of it to make sure we're on the good side here. Oh yeah, that is the good stuff. Look at that. So it's almost fully ready now. And I'm intentionally letting the liquids go there because I need them for later for the onions. I don't want it to go away. And this is a good non-stick, actually. Even the lard doesn't stick on it. That's good. That's what you want to see in one of these. So we'll add the food really quick and see how that goes. Look at that. That's what you want to see. Let me get the patties real quick. These are just some homemade patties, and we'll see how far that takes us. It should technically be good. Oh yeah, that searing noise is always welcome here.
Boom. Well, since I'm here, let's put 4 of them. And, oh yeah. I hope you hear that searing as good as I do, and I wish I could make you smell it. So, we'll try to cook them a little bit. And I'm gonna let them get that first hit. Oh yeah, nice. And they're not sticking. Look, I can actually just move them like that, and nothing's sticking in it. Look, even here that looks almost burned, it's actually beautiful. And I have this side, on this side here, a little bit kind of colder, but not really that cold. And we'll see where this is actual wood fire that you see coming out there. There's actual fire under it. So I'm a fan of wood fires, not as much of gas. So it is what it is. And let's see what the potatoes have to say. They should actually do pretty good here. Oh, look at that. Perfect. And yeah, if you're wondering, I'm going to put this griddle through the ringer and see what it does. Why not? I'm going to fill the whole thing. But so far, I'm really pleased with it. And onions, I want them to caramelize slowly. I'm going to put them on the far side of the fire, not directly, as you see right there. I don't know why I'm talking like it's a cooking tutorial, but you get the point. There we go. Oh yeah. The smell here is just, ooh, something else. Okay, let me just check one of them real quick. Oh yeah, look at that. Now we're talking. Perfect. Probably could have turned them a minute ago, but better late than never, I guess. And I'm gonna let that melt through. So it goes through all of them. See that now? Boom. Just like that. And that's how you get the searing perfect. Saw that chef move right there with a fire. That's how it's done. Well, so it's getting a bit night now, but I'm trying to film a few more minutes. There's still a low fire underneath, so as you see, I already took a whole plate. That is done. This one here, I like things well done, so deal with it. And the meat here is, I'm not sure if you can see, it's right there. I put it on the kind of colder side, just to wait till all this is completely done and ready to eat. So if you ask my opinion, is this worth it? I would say, yeah, 100% yes. If you like grilling, this is what you probably have been looking for. And the quality is absolutely great, and it did not bow or anything from the fire, which usually happens with griddles. Well, not this one. So I would say go get you one. It's actually worth it. Look at that. Looks really nice and delicious. So with that said, there's not much more I can talk about, because it's easy. And as you see, if you're thinking about what are these here, well, look at that. It comes off right away. You don't even need to actually wash it. You can just clean it with a rag or something when it's ready to go. And it cleans up easy, look. Boom. Just with a wood spoon. That's how easy it was. So, go get yourself one. You will thank me later. And for now, I'm gonna go eat, enjoy this stuff, and we'll see you at a later time. The links will be down in the description. Those links are affiliate links between me and Amazon, and it will cost nothing extra to you, and it supports this channel. And I thank you for doing that, and thank you for your time watching this video. Please like and subscribe on your way out, and we'll see you next time. Bye.